This is lifeboat drill, not for passengers, but for the crew. Okay, we had it on our ship, and this is the Disney ship I'm looking at. How the drill works is everybody comes down to the deck where you're supposed to be, at the station you're supposed to be, with your life jacket on. But this is a drill for the crew, and they make an announcement. Crew A, lead your passengers to lifeboat 12. Then they announce, Crew B, lead your passengers to lifeboat 9. And that's how it works. And there's the lifeboat up above, and these ropes are on the side so people can cling to them if they can't get on board. It says here 150 passenger capacity.